to be learned from Super Bowl 59. The Philadelphia Eagles beat down the Kansas City Chiefs left, right, and center. Next lesson learned, Patrick Mahomes is a very good quarterback. Indeed, a great quarterback. But it's too early to be including him in the GOAT conversation. This emphatic win by the Eagles, though, was as much about the Eagles being brilliant as it was about the Chiefs, including starman Patrick Mahomes, being terrible. The notion that it was because the Eagles were so brilliant while the Chiefs were so awful, I beg to slightly disagree. The fact is that the lead Kansas City man, Mahomes, suffered a shocking meltdown and started like a nervous novice, and it permeated the entire Kansas City coaching staff, offensive team, and defensive team, and the Chiefs were never allowed to recover as Jalen Hurts and the Eagles swooped down and gobbled them up like helpless prey.